Here it is, guys, the Tomahawk M2, the smaller one of the two. You guys wanted to see breaching stuff with it, so I'm gonna show it to you. This is a heavy duty window. No tricks here. I'm punching it, okay? What I do is penetrate with the Tomahawk and then I go through and clear, okay? Like this. And then I can enter if I need to enter. This is a heavy duty window. No tricks here. I'm punching it, okay? It'll easily penetrate this metal. I just did this one with the breacher. I'll show you guys another little piece of metal over here. I'll remove. Open it up like a can of beans. So this is actually penetrating in and hitting some solid metal underneath here. Some very solid metal, but it's still not damaging the Tomahawk. Even the face. Didn't even damage the face. Okay? Didn't damage the face at all. No damage whatsoever. I can puncture the reverse or on the front. This hit some you can hear that. There's very solid steel under there. Perhaps part of the engine block or probably a motor mount. But I'll show you more because you wanted destruction testing. Still no damage to the face of the blade. Still chopping, still no damage to the face of the blade. And just putting big holes. You guys can see this is the real deal, okay? No damage to the Tomahawk. Can still use it up here, close quarters combat, all right? In here, tail spike, okay? Throw it in here and come back with the tail strike and come down in here and hit with the reverse part. Bone Tactical Tomahawk, the most effective combat Tomahawk ever designed or produced. Bone out. Absolutely no damage to the Tomahawks. Excellent. Here you have it, guys. Bone Tactical. Most effective edged weapons and self-defense tools in the world.